Shalom! What's in the box?
Marco's maintenance stuff.
Marco's maintenance stuff?
Yeah, like oil, spark plugs, and something else.
Oh yeah. So apparently Marco's trying to get his E36 running, which is super fucking exciting. So this is Marco's E36. It's been down for a while. What happened last time that he was driving it? Like, why is it down?
Honestly, no clue. I just remember the accident, that's it.
Well, is the accident what caused this to get bent?
I forgot whether it was the church or that.
Uh-huh.
But one of the two did.
Yeah, so, I mean, if Marco's actually motivated to get this running, that means we'll be able to add another BMW to the fleet. I mean, hell, we have mine, we have yours, we have Preston's. I mean, Kellen doesn't drift his, but we have his. And then we'll have Marco's. So we could have potentially 4 E36s drifting at the track, which is going to be sick. I'm excited. Hopefully we'll be able to run like four car deep trains tandeming around the track at some point. That'd be so cool. But we have a somewhat, I wouldn't even say like a big reveal. It's just kind of cool because it's nice in here. But we finally got around to like rearranging the garage and making it like look pretty nice. It's not totally finished yet. There's still a bit of a work in progress. But I think we got some cool stuff done. I think you guys will like it. So right off the bat, we made these 2 tire racks. Altogether, these should be able to hold somewhere around like 40 tires altogether. We got like the nice work area over here. We ended up moving the welding table over to this side. Got the welder and everything over here. And then Gabe's dad started to paint in here. He's gonna make it fully white. We still don't have like all the boards up here done yet. So like that one's not even screwed down all the way, but now we have like insulation and everything. So hopefully we'll be able to get through the winter without freezing our asses off. So we got this cozy little hangout area over here with the TV, the PS2. We've been playing a lot of Guitar Hero. But yeah, overall, like this space just feels so much better for working. Like we have a nice dedicated workspace and we can actually fit 2 cars up on the cement pad now, which is awesome. And then Reggie started painting the front of the garage with this nice 2-tone gray, which I think looks awesome. Ooh, pretty trees. So we had a bit of a mishap the other day when we were rearranging the garage, actually. So we had a table like sitting over there, and fucking Gabe's Impact was sitting over on the table, and when he went to go move it, it fell off the edge. Which, okay, it's fine, it's a durable tool, whatever. But there just so happened to be an oil pan full of oil sitting right there. So this thing, I mean, like, it still runs, but, like, there's still, like, little bits of oil leaking out. I mean, like, it's run fine. Like, it's not smoking or anything when we use it. Like, it still seems like it has all the power, so it was super tragic. Oh, and the heat gun. The heat gun also went in the oil. Also, I don't know if I've shown you guys this yet, but we got a pipe bender. We're going to be using this to make bash bars soon in the future. Of course, I'm going to be the one designing because, like, I'm the only one who can do math, apparently, in here. But, I don't know. Kellen will be our good welder, our fabricator, and hopefully he'll be able to weld us up some nice-looking bash bars. So we finally going to get this thing running, Marco?
No.
No?
Probably not. This is what you need to get in your car.
Yeah, we were actually just talking about that. We were talking about how we're going to be fabricating and stuff like that to make our own. Yeah.
Does it even fit? You remember how many times you crashed this part?
Yeah, I think we tried fitting it up a little while back, but I think... Oh, it's a little better.
Yeah.
This is still, like, bent a little bit out of place, but it's not too bad.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Bro, this fucking shit's broken.
It's just not working?
Yeah.
What is the battery charger?
Yeah, I just bought this fucking thing.
That's whack.
Clamps unpowered until connected to battery. Well, they're on the fucking battery. So explain that.
Unexplainable. Is this like the M50 intake?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Wait, so what's the difference between the M50 intake and the M52 intake?
M52 intake is only 60% of the flow rate of an M50 intake.
Oh, really? Interesting.
40%.
Oh yeah, I guess you could tell just by how thick these runners are compared to the M52. Yeah.
Dude, I don't want to get under this fucking thing. The fuck?
Facts, that's what I'm saying.
It's disgusting.
I think while you guys do this... Oh, shit.
Whoa.
It's just a metal pan, it's okay. I'm gonna go try and fix my headlights.
What's wrong with your headlights?
They're foggy as shit.
Get ones that aren't made out of plastic?
I mean, right, like I should get glass ones, but those are pricey.
$200.
Nah, not dropping $200 on a set of headlights. Fuck that shit. All right. If you guys remember from last time we tried to work on these headlights, we kind of messed them up. So today, we're gonna try and restore this headlight, because as you can see, they're wildly different fogginess is all right. So, our dear friend Eric from Automotive, he gave me this like headlight restore stuff, and he gave me this little like cone brush. I think this is usually used for wheels, but I mean, I imagine we'll be able to make it work to help these out. But I tried a little bit last night just using the cloches over on the side, and it looks like it should be able to clear it up a little bit. So I'm gonna try and hit these with this, and I guess we're just gonna see what happens. I'm kind of debating on how I should go at this, because usually you have like a flat pad, like a buffer wheel or whatever the hell, but this one's like a cone one, and you can't really like push it down far enough to where I feel like it'll make a big enough circle to get like circular motion, so I might have to just hit it with the side. I don't know. I think I might try both ways and see what works best. Nice. I'll just like dot that a little bit. I'll kind of work on it like just like tiny little sections at a time. Oh yeah, that seems to be working a little bit. Bet. Let's hit the rest of the headlight. Alright, so after already doing only just like one quick pass, like I mean, like it's looking better. It's definitely still not perfect, but it's not as cloudy as it was before. So I think I'm gonna hit it, I'm gonna do like a second, maybe a third pass, and then we'll see how it turns out. Yeah.
Looks pretty good.
I thought so.
Kind of surprised.
So yeah, after a second pass, I mean, like, it's still not perfect, but it is a hell of a lot better than it was before. Now I'm thinking I'm probably gonna hit this side just for shits and giggles and see how clear we can get it. Dang, so only one pass on this headlight, and it looks a hell of a lot better. And now they're kind of back to being totally different from each other. But I mean, I'm happy though. The one on the right side, that one looks a lot better. It's definitely not as cloudy. It'll probably let a lot more light through, and I'll be able to see a lot better at night.
Or what, dude?
Jeez.
It's so strong.
I think my injectors are leaking.
This smells so bad. It just smells like straight gas.
There's no metal in it though.
I mean, sure, but you just got gas in it.
Yeah, it cleaned my motor for me. Kerplonk, baby.
Wait, so how'd the oil look when it came out?
I mean, it's still under the car, but yeah, it's just
okay.
black. Full of gas. It's not like, it didn't look super flaky, but I haven't like looked at it that closely.
Uh-huh.
Oh my god, dude, this thing's fucking tight. Oh!
That's not the only thing that's tight.
Asshole! Is there anything in there?
You have a lot of oils.
There's some metal fragments in there. Do you guys have like a little magnet?
Yeah, I can go grab one real quick. Wingardium Leviosa.
You want to do, my hands are kind of nasty. Right there.
Right. Oh, gotcha. Is that actually metal flake, you think?
Oh yeah. Right?
Oh yeah, there's a little bit of metal flake, it looks like.
And I don't care that much.
Yeah.
I just want to make sure it wasn't like.
It's not like a whole
chunks.
bunch of shit. Yeah, exactly.
Like if I can't feel it with my fingers, it can't be that big.
Then it's irrelevant.
That's what I'm saying. What's 25 Newton meters to me? What's that mean? How many foot pounds? How many Newton meters is this bitch? Straight to 25. Is my seal looking good? Well, I hope so. Past that point. 25 Newton meters. We're good.
I mean, I'd say that looked like about 25 Newton meters.
I don't know what that means. It sucks. I can't even get a fucking thread in. What the fuck is going on here?
Bro, there was this dude that subscribed last night, and he watched literally all my videos, and he commented on like 5 of them.
That's crazy.
Yeah, I love it.
The community.
Yeah, but I said those are the kind of fans you want.
Yeah, exactly. If you're watching this, dude, you're awesome. Keep commenting. I appreciate the love. You're awesome.
There's one batch.
Jeez. Just like a black hole.
Bro, I'm not seeing metal though.
Bro, that's like what the oil looked like that you dropped the impact into.
I don't know what you're talking about. Wait.
Let's honk. Whoa, what the fuck? I don't trust like that, dude.
Bruh.
We're gonna do this by hand. Alright, you know what? That shit's obviously I didn't say that, I didn't mean that. Dude, I just think this card's bad luck.
Well, I mean, like, you did write this on there while in Sharpie. I learned how to do like cinematic build montages.
Oh yeah, you need like one of those gimbals, like the two-handed gimbals. The two-handed gimbals. Are you hearing me out, dude? The ones that are like a chicken's head.
Sorry, what? I was too into it.
The ones that are like a chicken's head.
The gimbals.
Oh yeah, the gimbals, yeah.
Combos? What they called?
Gimbal, bro.
Gimbals.
The Gimbal 3000. All right, boys.
Oh, no funnel?
Whoa, chill. Chill with that, bro.
What?
Whoa. Dude, what the fuck?
Just really hold it sideways. That's how you do that.
Nah.
Oh, marksman.
I've been practicing at work. With the windshield
Oh, yeah, more
washer
cinematics.
fluid.
No.
Laminar flow, baby.
Put your camera in it.
No. Back up.
Need a reflection.
Back. I can't see. Oh. I'm just kidding. Yeah, come out hella slow.
All right, so I kind of want to take this time to talk about like what's to come with the car, like what my plans are coming up, what's gonna be like the next parts that are gonna be put in this car. I've pretty much given up on this stock handbrake. Like no matter what I try, the cables keep stretching and I just can't get the thing to work right. So I've decided that I'm gonna go with a hydraulic e-brake. I'm not gonna go with the dual caliper right off the bat. That's just a little, it's too much money for me to throw out the car at once. So I figure I'm just gonna start out with like an inline setup. I don't really mind. I'm not really doing tandems yet. I don't really know right foot braking or left foot braking very well. So I'm gonna just stick inline so I can actually have a working handbrake. And then I also want to do a short shifter. And then in order for me to do the short shifter, I think I have to do new like not solid, but like poly trans and engine mounts. I'm not sure if I need the engine mounts, but I know for sure I need the transmission mounts because the short shifter like mounts straight to the transmission tunnel. So yeah, those are gonna be coming up. Then I also want to get electric radiator fans because at the last event you guys saw that my shroud came loose and it started whacking the radiator fan. So I just want to go electric fan, free up that little space in the front of the engine bay and just make everything a whole lot easier and make sure I can keep my cooling in check. And then the next thing I want to get done, I want to get a new steering wheel. I want to get hub, quick release, all that stuff, and then I want to get a harness. The reason I didn't get like a new wheel or anything when I went to go get my seats was because I didn't have the money at the time to be able to put money into a harness, and I don't really feel comfortable driving around a car with a steering wheel that doesn't have an airbag, and I don't have harnesses because I've heard plenty of horror stories of people driving without harnesses and an aftermarket steering wheel and just bashing their face on the steering wheel if they get in a crash. So yeah, those are the things. Hydraulic handbrake, electric radiator fans, short shifter, and steering wheel and harnesses. So yeah, that's kind of the stuff that you guys can come to expect within like the coming weeks, coming couple months. But yeah. We've got another drift event coming up this weekend. I'm super excited for that. The car's all prepped, ready to go. So yeah, all I really need to do is just load everything up and we're good to go. What do you want, Gabe? Coming into my intro or my outro?
I just came here for gummies.
For gummies?
Yeah.
You should pass me a gummy. What was that? What was that trash?
Jamie said when he reaches 100 subscribers that you would go buy him a lift.
Wait, what? I said no such thing.
You should have said, if I get 100 subscribers, you all that are watching it, I'll buy it.
You heard the man. If I hit 100 subscribers, I'm gonna open up a Patreon. We're gonna get a lift now. But yeah, if you guys have stayed this long in the video, go down, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. You guys will be getting a lot more content here in the coming months of this car. It's really starting to take shape. come together. I'm just really hoping this engine doesn't blow up before I get too far into it. But I think that's gonna do it for this video, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed. I hope y'all have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next one.